with Zumi.
Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my little beauties? How's your Ramadan is going? We are on the last stages of Arabic letters, and today the letter which we are going to do is this. Very easy. It's like a circle, and its name is Ha. Yes. Oh, you remember we have done another letter previously? That name was also Ha, but that letter we pronounce from our throat. Ha, Ha. In this letter, we pronounce this letter from our chest. Ha, Ha. Yes, a heavy sound. And the previous letter has cool sound. Yes. So this letter, Ha. And this letter, Ha. 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 Yeah, this is the difference. Ha. 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 Yes. You have to differentiate these sounds. Don't mix them.
Okay.
And how we can write this letter? It's very easy. We can write it like a circle. Wow, it's so easy. And it has some other shapes also. We can write it like a knot. Wow. Yes, it's more beautiful. So you can write it in two ways. Like a circle and like a knot. Yay, so easy. And there are also few words that starts with letter Ha. Look above me. The beautiful creature of Allah. It is Hilal. Hilal means moon. I love to see Hilal at night. It's so pretty, mashallah. And you know, when I have my birthday, my friends gave me hadiya. Hadiya means gift, presents. Yes. So hadiya also the word with ha, and it means presents or gifts. How many hadiyas did you get on your birthday? I hope you got a lot. Pray to Allah that Allah Pak please bless us with hadaya. Hadaya means guidance. Yes, we have to pray to Allah for hadaya. Hadaya is another word with ha. So hadiya means present and hadaya means guidance from Allah. Hello, who's there? Look what I have in my hand. It's Hatif. Hatif? Hatif means phone. Ting ting, ting ting. Hello, who's there? So Hatif is another word with ha. Ha ha, Hatif. Hatif means phone. Wow, this is a cool weather. Hawa is very good today. Hawa means air. Air is blowing. Ha for Hawa and Hawa means air. Yes. Now write this letter with me.
Okay.
It's like a circle and another shape is like a knot. Do you know there is another shape of this letter Ha? This shape has two eyes and we can write it like this, and this. Wow! Ha has lot of faces and you have to remember all of his faces. It has a variety of faces. Wow! So now you have to practice Ha and the words with Ha like Hawa, Hilal, Hatif, Hadiya and Hadaya. See you next time inshallah with the last letter. Assalamu alaikum.